The world of marketing is swiftly changing. One thing that has not changed is a single truth: the importance of location. In fact, by the end of 2022, marketing spending on mobile location-based marketing is estimated to top $38 billion. One way marketers are using location to their advantage is through geofencing. Today we'll be going over what geofencing is and what the benefits of using it are. So what exactly is geofencing? Geofencing is the use of GPS or RFID technology to establish a virtual geographic border, allowing software to respond when a mobile device enters or exits a certain region. Depending on how a geofence is set up, it can trigger mobile app notifications, SMS messages or alerts, and send targeted social media advertising. For instance, if a customer is near a coffee shop using geofencing, a notification may appear on their phone saying buy one latte and get another 50% off. Another real-world example occurred in December of 2018. Burger King placed geofences around their competitor, McDonald's. When customers came within 600 feet of any McDonald's, they would receive a notification from the Burger King mobile app. The app offered a Whopper for 1 cent and gave directions to the nearest Burger King location. Geofencing is not exactly the same as geotargeting, though you may hear the terms being used interchangeably from time to time. Geotargeting considers geography, but also filters people based on their interests, habits, and demographic information.
Let's go over some of the methods of geofencing. The first method uses a radius centered on an object centroid. This entails determining the center point of a structure or property, and then computing a distance away from that point, i.e., a radius in each direction. This generates a generic proximity zone that will transmit advertisements anytime someone with a mobile device comes within a certain distance of an area of interest. An example of this would be the Whopper Detour campaign discussed earlier. The second method is to employ an isochrone. This involves calculating the time necessary to go to a certain point from another location using available transportation. A company may then send out adverts just to those who can visit their business location during a specific time window. It is determined by the ease of transit rather than the actual distance. So, for example, a geofencing marketing campaign would send an ad to anyone with a restaurant's app who could arrive within 10 minutes to eat lunch on a Saturday rather than anyone within 10 miles of the restaurant. The final method involves building footprints. This approach uses measured polygons to depict the precise physical boundaries of a location of interest, which may be a complete building, a park, or a retail unit in a mall. Then a company may send alerts only to those who have physically entered the property. For example, if you just entered the mall, you may receive a coupon for a pretzel. You would not, however, receive that coupon if you were in the parking lot or across the street.
No matter if you are new to the industry or just new to the area, it is important to get your brand name out there. The brand customers don't know is the brand they don't use. If it's not a store someone frequents or a store they are actively looking for, people usually pass that store by. Geofencing can change that reality by delivering SMS messages from the store when the customers are nearby. These messages will then generate curiosity, which in turn will generate foot traffic. Geofencing also increases brand loyalty. Geofencing can allow you to track how often someone comes into your business using their mobile device. If you observe a consumer returning to your shop frequently, you may thank them with unique coupons or discounts. This can create recurring client loyalty by demonstrating your gratitude for their business and giving a level of personalization that your rivals may not be giving. Conversely, if you have customers who have not visited your establishment in some time, you can send coupons to entice them to stop by. Geofencing also enables you to gather data in real time. When using location data to target, the same technology may be used to determine if devices visit a retail store after receiving any type of advertising. This means that you can extrapolate the data of shoppers who came in after just passing by from those who came in after seeing a geofenced-based advertisement. Thus, you can immediately see the effectiveness of your campaign.
Geofencing allows businesses to deliver a range of advertising materials to customers' devices based on their real-time geographic location, and is one of the most successful methods to get consumers to your door.